Hello everyone. Today I am going to share about my learning experience with my Sarji. That means our favorite Vishal Verma sir on an academy. And I am going to share also that how I have cracked NTA NET last time, that is on June 2020. I think you people will be surprised to know that my subject is Tourism Administration and Management, Code 93, and not Core Management paper, that is Code 17. I am sure that you are surprised because you are thinking that how is it possible? Because Vishal Verma sir teaches Core Management paper, Code 17. In this regard, I have to tell you that to crack this exam, it is not only about how much hard work you are doing, but about how much smart work you are doing. And it is not about how much time you are investing, but what strategies you are taking to capture your concepts of your subject and apply it during the time of solving paper. First thing, when I have to tell in the beginning that when I had started my preparation, I had found that there is no tourism educator online who can guide me on this subject in this regard. Then I had joined Unacademy, hoping that maybe Unacademy can help me and give me some benefits about it. It was on the month January 2020. On the second class of Vishal Verma sir, he told about the videos of UCRT, TMT, SSA and DEA. I had watched it then only. These UCRT, TMT, SSA and DEA are nothing but the learning techniques, very fruitful learning techniques. UCRT means understand, complete, revise and test. That means understand your syllabus first, then complete it as whole, then revise it and then test yourself. So I had gone through my syllabus thoroughly. I had done it previously as well, and that is why I had taken classes of few educators on Unacademy, starting from commerce educator to management educators to geography educator to history educator as well, because tourism is an integrated subject and it has parts from these all subjects as well. But somehow it was not that much fruitful to me. That is another thing. But when I had started to understand my syllabus again, then I had found a very important thing from my syllabus. I had found that in my syllabus there are 35% from management syllabus. Such as in my syllabus, Unit 7 is completely of marketing management. That is obviously the part of management syllabus. Then on Unit 8, I have economics in some portion, that is like macro and microeconomic system, demand and supply, determinants, then forecasting, demand forecasting, inflation, repo rate, reverse repo rate, cash reserve ratio and etc. etc. Then Unit 9 is full of statistics. That is also there in management paper. And Unit 10, it consists of business environment, organizational behavior, and accounts and financial management. So you see, 35% of my syllabus is from management paper. So then only I had decided that I will do each and every classes of Vishal Verma sir in case of management and paper 1 as well, so that I can cover the whole paper 1 syllabus and 35% of my paper 2 syllabus, and I had started accordingly. At that time of completing my syllabus as whole, I had used 2 more techniques that was stated by Vishal Verma sir, that is TMT, that is time maximization technique, and SSA, which is telling that when you are going through your syllabus, just make underline which concepts you have done already, which concepts you know very well. Excuse me. And which portions you have to do, and then you focus on the portions you have to do. And in this time I had started to making notes myself only, because Vishal Verma sir told and gave importance to making notes by ourselves. I had started making notes from the portion of management, and then at that time it has struck in my mind that Vishal Verma sir had made one video regarding management books to complete whole syllabus of management paper. It reminds me that I have to go through tourism books to cover my syllabus. Not only tourism books, I have consulted many PDFs as well as many YouTube videos as well. When I had started to writing the concepts, or I have started to make the notes on tourism paper, first I have completed the notes on management portion from the PDFs of Vishal Verma sir. Then I had gone through the books of tourism papers, such as in case of tourism products, I have consulted one very good book which has told about cultural products of our India. Then I have gone through many tourism books which have stated about transportation, ticketing, then tourism principles, and obviously I have gone through the books of hospitality also, because I have one unit total on hospitality management. Then I have gone through many YouTube videos also, especially for the law portion, because in my syllabus I have Environment Protection Act, Wildlife Conservation Act, Forest Act, then FEMA Act, then Foreigners Registration Act. I have gone through those YouTube videos of various law educators who have taught one act in one video of 10 to 15 minutes, and I have noted down the key points of those acts to capture it in optimum way. Then I have consulted many PDFs of various universities which have tourism subjects like Pondicherry University, Utkal University, etc. It was about 3 months that I have taken to make my whole notes, concrete notes on tourism. And then I read it again. In this way, I have completed my syllabus. Then I have gone through the the notes once again to revise it. Then I test myself. I test myself by giving Unacademy mock test, as well as I had attended MCQ sessions of Vishal Verma sir in special class as well as on class courses, and it helped me a lot. And when I was solving the questions on Unacademy platform, or when I was solving the papers on different books, then I had used one more technique that was stated by Vishal Verma sir. That is DEA technique. DEA technique means define, then explain, then apply. That means I have to go through the question first. I have to understand what question actually is asking to me. Then I have to explain it by my mind. Then I have to go through the options I have. Then only I have to choose the right option from my concept. In this way, I can do the question, the answer of the question right. I have practiced this technique for several times. Whenever I have attempted the Unacademy mock papers or the MCQ sessions, or I was practicing on books, and finally I have used it during the exam, during the main exam. And one more thing I have to tell you, that when I was covering my syllabus, when I was capturing the concepts, various concepts of tourism, then only an insight was developed within me. And it helps. It helps because in my paper there are several questions coming from outer knowledge. I will not say outer knowledge, but it is obviously related to our syllabus, but I have to say that it is not exactly what is stated in syllabus, but yes, it is obviously connected with the syllabus. So when I was attempting those questions were very new to me, but when I was attempting those questions, this DEA technique and that insight helped me to make the answer right. And that is why that is how I have cracked this NTA NET exam. And that's all, my friend.